Hello graceful fans, welcome back to Graceful Cakes. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you two ways of making sugar crown as toppings for your cake. The first is to roll out your fondant, and with the help of two rollers, after you have cut the fondant into a rectangle shape, you measure the side that you want the teeth of the crown to take with a ruler, and then with the other ruler you cut out little triangles. That's the way I'm doing. Look closely. It's that way I'm doing. And then you remove all the triangles, and then you have the teeth of your crown, which is the sharp triangular shape of the crown that makes it look like a crown. And then you get a round shaped container and put it around it to dry. You keep it there for the fondant to dry, and for the fondant not to stick to the container, you can use your vegetable paper to wrap the container first, or you use your icing sugar. So here is a cake made with fondant, and here is how it looks on my cake. And the other form is to use a mold, a crown mold. The crown can be of whatever color that you want, depending on you. So this particular one is in gold color, and I'm just using a mold for this. All you need to do is push your fondant into the mold until it is fully filled. The mold is fully filled. Now when you are sure the fondant is fully fitted into the mold, you just remove it from the mold from the other side, and then take it around your round container again to allow it to dry. You can use sugar paste or water to hold the two edges together, so you can get a perfect round shape that sticks together like a crown. Now this one is from a mold, and it looks a little different from the other one that you can do without a mold. So if you don't have a mold, you can use the first pattern. You see how it looks on the cake? So beautiful. Thank you all for your support and for always watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Bye. Love you all.